Lancet mobile app, an application that assists doctors with the delivery and viewing of laboratory results from their mobile devices. Features: patient contact information display, easy enrollment and registration, secure PIN entry to unlock application, automatic updating of patient data, result caching for offline availability, sorting of patient lists alphabetically and chronologically, easy search facility, intuitive graphical interface, cumulative patient view, cumulative test view, graphical results data. Quick guide to account registration. Installing the application. Search for Lancet Mobile on one of the available stores to download and install the app. Account registration. Before the app can be used to view results, the practitioner needs to create a Lancet account. This can be done quickly and easily from the app using the practitioner's primary mnemonic. The registration might differ slightly from one device to another. New users register. Users that have never used the service before can create a new Lancet account by going through the registration service. Type your provider mnemonic in the mnemonic field. Please note, this field is case sensitive. The mnemonic will be checked against the Lancet laboratory LIS information that is valid. Should this check fail, an appropriate error will be displayed with further instructions. Please note, if you receive reports from multiple countries, i.e., your mnemonic exists within multiple realms, you will need to include that country's relevant realm after your mnemonic during the registration process. The different countries and their realms are Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Ghana, Zambia, Uganda, Swaziland, Botswana, South Africa. If the mnemonic is found and verified successfully, you will be presented with the Verify Your Details screen. On this screen, you need to verify that you are in fact the owner of the provided mnemonic. To do this, a one-time PIN is sent to the registered credentials that exist on the Lancet Laboratory Information System. This PIN can be sent by either sending it by email, SMS, or by calling the doctor and reading it out. Once the PIN has been received, enter it into the verification PIN field and click on the Verify button. The PIN will then be verified against the Lancet mobile services. If the verification was successful, then the user will be prompted to choose a username and a password of their choice. The entered username is verified for availability. Should the username not be available or not meet the minimum requirements, an error will be displayed. If the username is available and passes all the minimum requirements, then enter a password and click on Create Account. If the account creation is successful, then you should receive a message stating that the account creation was successful. Please note, results may take some time to populate into the user's account when registering for the first time, depending on the size of the practice in question. The app can now be launched by selecting the Lancet mobile icon in the device's list of applications. You will now be asked to set up a local cache unlock PIN. This PIN will be used every time you launch the application. Please note, this may differ from one device to the other. Countries outside the borders of South Africa, when you sign in using your created username, you will also need to add the relevant country's realm after your username in order to successfully sign in. For example, a Lancet registered provider in Kenya would sign in using the Kenya realm at lancet.co.ke after the chosen username. Security PIN Setup. This will load the Lancet mobile app security PIN sign-in screen shown below. Complete the security PIN requirements. This is stored locally on the user's phone and prevents unauthorized access to the application. Choosing an unlock PIN. Lastly, you will be required to create a PIN that will be used every time you launch the application. This PIN is necessary as it protects unauthorized access to the sensitive patient information. Make sure you write this PIN down. Without it, you will not be able to access the application and view your results. And there you have it. The new, quick and easy to navigate Lancet mobile app. For results directly to the palm of your hand.